Here we are today on a nice soggy day. Somebody's making racket. Here's our project for today. Had a little malfunction. The valve ain't supposed to be up. Oh, there's the helper. What do you got to say for YouTube, Dad?
Hello.
Hello? Big old beard on that dude, ain't there? He's over there wrestling the steering wheel for here. And it's not looking too good either for that, but I'm glad it's him doing that part. Anyways, the old 1277 crawled out of the hole. Hopefully that's 16. Gonna be a little while. I have to do some bracket work, but I think she'll straighten up pretty nice. But I've got to get that valve under control. So we might get to see some hands-on yet. So have a good one. That carburetor looked good on there though, won't it? Alright, well, tune in tomorrow. This was our project for today.